Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your iPhone so Google Maps can work properly. Check that iOS and the Google Maps app are updated. This fixes bugs and adds features. Next, enable location services and set Google Maps to while using or always for accurate positioning. Sign into your Google account so saved places and history sync. Once done, open Google Maps from the home screen or app library and tap the search bar to begin. This gets you straight into navigation and search. You search for a destination using text or voice. Tap the microphone to speak if you prefer. Once results appear, compare options: driving, transit, walking, or cycling. Each mode uses different routing logic. Tap directions and review alternative routes shown with time estimates. Make sure to expand route details to see turn-by-turn specifics. If needed, add a stop or reorder via Add Stop. Also toggle route options like avoid tolls or highways. This tailors the path to your preferences and constraints. Begin navigation by tapping Start and pay attention to voice prompts and lane guidance. These help you stay on the correct road in complex junctions. While driving, you'll see live traffic overlays and ETA updates. Make sure Do Not Disturb while driving is set so prompts remain audible. For poor signal areas, download offline maps of the region before you leave. If Maps misbehaves, force close the app, toggle location services, reboot the phone, and as a last resort, reinstall the app to clear corrupted data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.